Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics with Asmi. Till now in previous video we have created this demo database. Then in this demo database we have created this employee info table with these 4 columns, and after that we put these records. Okay, we have added these 5 records in it, and then we updated the table structure by adding one more column in the last session. Okay, we have added this gender column to the employee info table by using this alter table command. Okay, after that we have also seen that how to delete that gender column which we have created by using this drop command. So till now we have seen how to update the table structure. Now we will see how we can update the records inside the table. So let's see how we can actually write the values like male or female, or how you can update your rows with a gender value that you need to know here. So we want to add the gender values like male or female in this column. So let's see how we can do that. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. I regularly upload videos on data analytics. And if you like the video, please share with your friends and hit the like button. So let's start now. So in the last video, we have created a new column gender using this alter command, and we deleted it by using a drop command. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch that video so that you will understand this video, because it is a continuation of the last video. Link is given in the description box. Now let me add a gender column again here. In the last video we have deleted it. So to adding a gender column, we have to use this command, alter table employee info add gender varchar 10. Then we have modified it to 20. So let me use this first, alter table employee info add gender 10. So I will copy here and I will paste here. Now let me run this. Now you can see it is successfully done. Now we will check first how it's looking. So for checking, we are going to use the select command. Select command will retrieve the table. So I will write select star. When we use star, it will give all the columns from employee info and complete the statement, and I will run this now. Yes, now here you can see we have these 5 columns: name, ID, location, age and gender. Okay, and we have these 5 records in it, and in the gender column you can see here all are null. So we have to put the values here. We have to put male or female here. Now here we are going to update the table information rather than the table structure. For that you have to use the keyword called update here. Remember, this is the most tricky and confusing part. If you want to update the table schema or a table structure, then you have to use the alter command, which is a DDL command. And if you want to update the data inside it, like rows inside it, then you have to use the update command. So let me write it here for you so that you will understand. So if you want to update table structure, then you have to use the alter command. Okay, and if you want to update data in the table, or you can see rows, okay, you have to update the rows here, then you have to use the update command. Okay, understood? Now let me write here the update command. You have to write update, then you have to write the table name. So what is our table name? Employee info. Then you have to write set. What you need to set here? You have to set the column name. So our column name here is a gender. So we are going to put the record in this gender column. So we have to write the name of a column. So update table name set, then column name, and then you have to write is equal to Suppose I am writing mail here and complete the statement here. Now this sounds good. You are saying I am updating the data present in the employee info table and I am setting the gender value as a male. Now you might get one doubt, at what row it says the gender is equal to male. Well, it may be first row, it may be second row, or it may be third row. What if I want to add male for few rows and female for few rows? Now if we hit the command here like update employee info set gender male, then you will see that in gender all row will contain the same value which is male, but we don't want that. We want both the values male and female. So for that what we have to do, we will see here first our data. Let me check what it is. Yeah, so data is here only. So the Bharti is female, Karisa is female, Dilip is male and Eva is again female. So we want Bharti to be a female. So for that we have to give the condition. So we have to tell the SQL that if in the name column you find it as a Bharti, then you have to put the value as a female. So if you want to put a condition in the SQL, that time you have to use a where. Where is used as a condition. So here now we can write here update employee info set gender is equal to, here we will write a female, then where name, which is a column name, is equal to Bharti, inverted comma Bharti. Okay, inverted comma complete and the statement complete by semicolon. What we are telling SQL editor to do here, we are telling SQL editor as update the table employee info and set the value of a gender as a female. Then we put the condition by using where name is equal to Bharti. So when it sees the name as a Bharti, then it has to put the value as a female. Okay, now let me run this command. It's successfully done. Now we need to check this. So again we will use to retrieve the data, we have to use the select command again. So we'll copy paste this, Control C and we'll put Control V and let me run this. Yeah, now you can see here Bharti, for Bharti the gender value is a female. Now we have to update for all these four. Okay, for Karisa, Dilip and Eva. So what we'll do here, we will copy this and we will paste it for the 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. So we have to update for a female where name is equal to Karisa here. So we have to put it in an inverted comma because it is a string, Karisa. You have to put the correct spelling here, Karisi. Then for Dilip it should be male, right? So male for Dilip. And then for again female for Eva. Now let me run all these 3. Yeah, it is successfully updated now. Now we'll check again the table. So for retrieving the all data in the table, again we are to use this select command. And I will put here paste, and now we will check if it is updated all the rows or not. Yeah, now you can see all the rows are updated in this gender column. Okay, so we have used here the update command to update the data inside the table. For table structure, what we have used the alter command. Okay, please note the difference between these two updates. For updating the table structure, you have to use the alter command, and for updating the data inside the table, you have to use the update command. So this is how you can actually update the data in the table with the help of update command. Hope you understood it. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.